This conference will now be recorded.
Which concept, ma? Parser. Which type of parser? DOM parse. No, we didn't finish, ma. Just I have given definition. That's it. Correct, na? Yes. Now, are you able to see, ma, my screen? Here. See here. We are importing xml.etree.element tree. Okay, na? I'm importing element tree class which is under XML module as XML. That means I'm creating this XML as an alias for referring this particular element tree class. Is that clear? Yes or no? With this XML only, I can perform the operations whatever I want on a XML file. What operations I want, how to do that operations, let me show you now. See, we have got a function. We are calling the function over here. You can see create XML. We are calling the function with test1.xml. Is it clear? We are calling the function with the parameter test1.xml. So test1.xml will get stored into variable whose name is file name. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. Next. Root equal to xml.element users. I'm creating first tag, that is a root tag, whose name is users. Okay, na? Clear, Nama? Okay. Next, I'm creating one more element tag, that is user, where that particular tag name here you can see the object for that particular tag is children1. This children1 I'm appending to first tag. Okay, na? This children1, that means user tag I'm appending to your root tag, main tag I'm appending. From the root tag, I will be reading all the content, store it into tree variable. Okay, na? From root tag, that means from users till end, whatever the content is there, everything I'll be reading, I'll be storing into a variable that is tree. Is that clear, ma? Yes or no? Okay. Next, with open file name. See, here I have taken file name, right, which I have supplied over here. I'm opening that particular file in write binary. See, whenever you are performing operations on XML file and a JSON file, we have to use one extra character called as binary. B has to be used now. Right on? For performing operations on formatted files like XML and JSON, binary need to be considered. Okay, Nama? Yes or no? Now, what is the specialty? What is the use of this binary in the sense? This binary will help us in writing the content. This binary will help us in writing the content as it is. Got my point, Noma? Let's say if you have got some space between the tags, if you have got some alignment, whatever it is, everything same to same with the spaces, with the alignment, capital letters, everything it will read as it is. Is that clear? I'm opening the file in a write binary. This particular file, I'm considering object fh as a file pointer to this particular file name. Is that clear? Fh is the file pointer to that file name. Next, using this fh, you can see tree.write. That means whatever the content which is there in tree, that I am writing into fh. Fh is indirectly referring to this file. Is that clear? Hello? Yes. Whatever is there in tree, we are writing into fh ma. Fh is a file pointer for this file. This file name is, you can say, that is test.xml. I mean test1.xml. After writing the content, I am closing that file. Say. Now what happens over here is a file with the name test1.xml will get created. Where is it? Test1.xml. First tag, you can see root tag I have created users. So user has been created. Next, under that we have created children, that is user. So you can see user tag also created. Clear, right? Yes. This is how we can create an XML file. Ma. Clear, right? Can I have the next one? Okay. Next. No, ma, we are not copying. We are creating that tags dynamically here. Okay, now we are not copying from one XML to another XML. If you are moving the content, that is called as copy. Here, because of Python program, we are creating an XML file. Is that clear? Now, you can see again, this is same. Here also I am calling create XML file with the test.xml as parameter. I am creating one element whose name is users, like our previous program only. Clear, right? Under that we are creating one more user tag. I am appending this children to that users. So far is it clear, ma? Now we observe for this children, I am creating one sub element. See, I am creating sub element under children. The sub element name is ID. Is that clear? Under children, I am creating a sub element whose name is ID. For that sub element, I am assigning the text also as 123. Is that clear? Yes or no? Next, for the same children one, that means under user ID got created first. Next, for user, I am creating one more children, that means sub element, that is name, where I am storing the value Shubham. Is that clear? This is as usual. From the you can see from root tag all the content I am storing into tree. I am opening the file in write binary, where what is the content available in tree that I am writing into fh. Fh will write into file, then we are closing the file. Only these lines we have added extra. Clear, Nama? Now if I run, you can go and check it out. Test.xml will get created. Here users first tag, under that user got created, under that first sub element, that is id with the text 123. Next sub element name with the text Shubham. Next we have created user as a child, that we have closed here. Then root tag we have closed. Is that clear, ma? Yes or no? Can you have next one? Now you observe properly, ma. See, in test.xml, this is what the content available, and that to see the alignment, how I have aligned. Previously, how the data was there, everything has been written in one line, correct now? Now, I have aligned the content line by line with the proper spaces. Clear, right? Yes or no? Now, what I'm trying to do over here, you can check it out. This is as usual. Here I have created update XML file name. Here I am calling test.xml as parameter to this file name. Is that clear? Next, whatever the content is there in that file, I'm writing, reading all the content, storing into this tree variable. That means in this particular file, what is that? Test.xml. Complete content will get stored into tree variable. Now, under this, which is the root tag, ma? See, tree.getRoot. That means from that particular file, I'm retrieving root tag, storing it into root variable. Which is the root tag? Amma Meenakshi, is that clear? Yes. Root tag is the first tag, that is users. So we are retrieving root tag, that is users, from the root tag .iter. That means from the root tag, I will be iterating one by one. I will be going one by one until I find ID. Is that clear? From root tag, I'm searching for ID tag. That particular ID tag information we are storing into variable salary. That means this tag information will be stored into salary. For that, I am updating the text to 1000. That means under this variable, whatever the text is there, that I am updating to 1000. Is that clear, ma'am? Next, Again, from the root tag, whatever the content is there, this is as usual routine stuff only. We'll read the content, we'll store it into tree. Again, we are pointing to this update underscore test.xml. We are writing from the tree tag to, from the first tag to end everything into this fh. Fh will be pointing to this, it will get updated. Then we are closing the file. Clear, Nama? See the alignment. See, content got updated to 1000. At the same time, it is not only like content. See the alignment. The alignment, as we are using this binary, because of that binary only, complete content as it is, it got copied. Clear, Nama? Yes. This is what your file updation, XML file updation is all about. Okay. Can I have the next one? Now, see, I have added for this tag, I have added one attribute with the value KA. Okay. Otherwise, one more city also I will add. BNG I will add. Something like this. See, for this tag, I have added two attributes. This is first attribute, this is second attribute. First attribute value is KA, second attribute value is BNG. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yeah. Now, here I have got one function with the name dummy. Why I have kept the name as dummy in the sense, one of my old student, he has asked me, every time you are keeping the file name as create XML, update XML, should I need to keep that name in that particular fashion only? He has asked me. So I have renamed it to dummy. Is that clear, ma? Next, test.xml, I am passing as parameter to this file name. Next, tt equal to xml.elementtree file name. That means from that particular file, first I am pointing to that particular file over here. Next, tt.getRoot. I am retrieving the root tag available in this particular file where tt is pointing to. Is that clear, ma? What is the root tag? Yes or no? That I'm printing over here. Next, this is one important thing. You observe tag equal to %s. This %s, first %s will be replaced with first parameter, ma. See, here we are supplying two parameters. This is first parameter, this is second parameter. So first %s we will be replaced with first parameter. So here root tag, what is the root tag? Tag equal to users will be printed here. Is that clear? Then attribute equal to this percentage s will get replaced with that root tag attributes. See, two attributes are there. Both the root tag attributes will get printed over here. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. Then what are we doing over here, ma? We are printing hyphen for 40 times. Yes. In the sense, it will print that hyphen as a line. Is that clear, ma? Yes or no? It prints that hyphen as a line. Then I am displaying one simple message, iterating using get children. Then again I am printing hyphen for 40 times. Okay, let me remove this and show you only this much. See, td.getRoot, it has printed root tag, and tag equal to users, attribute equal to state with the value KA, city with the value BNG, hyphen for 40 times. We have got one message, again hyphen for 40 times. Clear, right? Okay. Next, root dot get children. Under root tag, which is the children available? That is user. I'm retrieving this children and storing into users variable. Is that clear, ma'am? How many our children are there? All the children will get stored into this users variable. Okay. Let's say we have got two children over here. Something like this. So all the children we have stored over here. From this we are getting first children. That means this children details into this variable. From that its children I am retrieving, storing into user underscore children. That means from this two children are there, that I am retrieving, storing into this. From that children one by one, first children, that means this children I will retrieve. What is the tag? What is the text? Next children, what is the tag? What is the text? Like this, each and every sub children's tag and the text will be printed. Is that clear, ma? Check it out. Anyway, till here it is same. It is showing warning that you ignore. You can see children, first children ID with the value 123, name Shubham. One more children ID 1231, name is something X, garbage value I have provided. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay. This is how you can read the content, you can write the content, you can update the content in an XML file. Fine, right? Can you open next one? Next. Is there anything left? No, ma. Nothing is left out with XML. Now we'll go for YAML. Write down heading YAML. YAML. What is YAML, ma? Hello. Hello. Okay. That is not exactly configuration file. I want to know about full form. So let me tell you. Full form of YAML is yet another markup language. Okay, na? Yet another markup language. Make a note. Clear, right? Hmm. This is the file which is meant for holding huge set of data, in the form of configurations. In the form of configurations. Clear, right? Hmm. Yes, ma'am. YML and YAML both are set. Hmm. Okay, fine. See, what is the specialty of this YAML is usually whenever if you need to store any configuration details, okay, na? If you need to store any configuration details, if you want to store for one key, one value, in the sense we have got so many options, but whenever if you need to store huge set of data, huge set of values for one key, then you can take the help of this particular YAML. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. How this particular YAML will be there, how the data will get stored, all these things we are going to see right now. Okay, na? Hmm. I have written all my YAML programs somewhere here in a folder. You can execute these programs in PyCharm also. Yeah. So first thing you have to do is pip install pyyaml. You have to do it now. Is that clear? Pip install pyyaml. You have to install pyyaml so that that will act like a parser for parsing your laptop only. Go to the location, type pip install pyyaml. If it is PyCharm, na, you go to terminal and type pip install pyyaml. Clear, nama? Make a note. If you do this one, see, it is saying successfully installed. And when you are doing this, make sure you have network, internet connected to your system. Clear, right? Suppose if network is not there, if PyYAML is already installed, that will throw an exception saying that we didn't find any other alternative. Clear, right? Yes or no? Hello. See, in this location already PyYAML was there, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. Clear, Nama? Okay. Now, so first we are going to start up with first example. See, first I will show you how that YAML file looks like. Items.yaml. Okay. See, this is what your YAML file, ma. Okay, na? Okay, fine, ma. This is what your YAML file. We have got a key and one value. One more key, one more value. Like this, we have got a few keys and respective values are there. Clear, right? Yes or no? Okay. Next, we are importing YAML module over here. You can see we are importing YAML module. Next, we are opening items.yaml file as F. Whatever items.yaml file is holding the content, that I am pointing in the name of F. Is that clear, ma? Next, YAML.load. Using this YAML module, we have got so many functions. Among that, the first function is load function. What this load function will do, from this file, it will load complete content. See, loader equal to YAML.fullLoader. Complete content available in that file, I am loading it, storing into data variable. That data I will be printing here. Is that clear? Yes or no? Okay. Let me run this and show you. What was that? See, it prints complete content of that file. Clear now? Okay. This is what a basic YAML example is all about. Just we are reading the content and we are printing the content over here. Next. Next. We'll go for next example. This is data.yaml. Next file, I'll show you. See, previously one key, one value was there. Correct now? Right now, see, one key, multiple values. One key, multiple values. Now, you might ask a question. The question is, can I write the content, one key, one value in the same line? We have written, right? Same way, can we write one key, multiple values in the same line? You might ask a question. Correct, right? Yes or no? Is it possible, ma, to write the content in this fashion? However, I said, hello. possible to write how, sir? See, ma'am, previously we have written one key with one value, the data in one line only. Correct now? Key and value side by side I have written. But this time, key and value in multiple lines I have written. Correct, right? We can write. That's what she is saying. I think Meenakshi. See, now the problem with YAML is the mom. This is alignment you need to follow properly. If you are not following the alignment properly, then it will not consider as a YAML file. Remember this. See, this is a key, and see, it has got multiple values. First value, if you observe, we have got one space, hyphen, space, and the value. Second value, space, hyphen, space, value. Again, third value, fourth value, like this. Each and every value, we have got space, hyphen, space, value. Got my point, Nama? Yes. Same way, how I have provided spaces, hyphen, spaces, the same pattern, you should write the content. Remember this. No, if you write the content in whichever the fashion you want, then automatically this will raise an exception. This won't be considered as well-formed YAML file. Okay, now? Yes or no? Now, fine. Say, here what I will be doing, I am opening data.yaml as f. That means whatever is there in data.yaml, I am reading and I am storing into f. YAML.load all. Here, this time I am using load all function. Clear, right? I am using load all. From this particular file, all the content, say, loader equal to YAML.fullLoader. I will be loading full content, storing into docs variable. Is that clear, ma? From the docs, one by one document, say, this complete data from here till here, this complete data is called as one document. Then this is another document. Got my point, no, ma? Totally two documents are there. Next. So, from first document, I will retrieve first document, I got it. From first document, all the items I am storing into key and value. See, only one key is there, all the values will get stored into this variable v. So key will be printed here. On arrow mark, all the values will be printed. Next, we will get one more document. From the document, what is the key and respective values will be printing. You can check it out. Key and respective values. Clear, Nama? Yes or no? Yes. This is how, but here dot items. Sorry, ma, I didn't understand your question. Could you please repeat the question again? For range, we gave it, sir. Okay. Hama, say dot items. That means first from the here we have got two documents. From that document, one document we are storing here. That document items. Say this document items. These are all the items available under this document. So all the document items we are separating as key and value. We are printing the key of this document. That means it is here arrow mark. We are printing all the values of that document. Okay, now? Yes or no? So like this, if you need to read the content from a bigger file, otherwise smaller file, everything is possible. Clear? Can I have the next one? Yes. Now, let me go for next one. So what are we doing over here, ma? Hello? Okay, fine. See, you can observe it is reading and printing users content. Okay, we have got list of dictionaries. Got my point, Nama? We have got list of dictionaries available. That list of dictionaries, actually this is called as JSON. That JSON data I am passing as parameter to YAML.dump. So what this will be doing, this complete content, it will be printing it on the console. Got my point, right? Yes or no, ma? Yes. Let me show you how that looks. Dump means it will convert the data into proper exact YAML format and it prints the data, ma. Dump is meant for converting the data into proper YAML format and prints it. Let me show you how that looks. It is a predefined function, ma. It is not a keyword. See, it is printing the proper YAML representation over here. Clear, right? Yes. Can I go with next one? Yes. What are we doing over here? Sorry, ma? Yes. Previously, whatever the content was there, we have printed it. But this time, instead of me printing, I am opening users.yaml in write format, write mode, and the content we are dumping. See, users content I am dumping into F. Whenever you are dumping into F, F is pointing to this users.yaml. it will get stored into that particular file. Clear now? Yes, that's it. Nothing else we have did over here. So if I run this, file will get generated. Content gets stored in this YAML fashion. Okay now? Can I have the next one, ma? Okay. So what are we doing over here? Check it out properly. Hello. Are you guys there with me, ma? Yes. Okay. See, first we are reading complete content and we are printing here. Then same data, see, YAML.dump, that particular data, we are sorting based on the keys. Sort underscore keys true. That means in that particular items.yaml file, whatever the content is there, that complete content I'm sorting based on the keys, storing into sorted variable. That sorted variable value I'm printing here. Say, initially this is what the content. Then after sorting based on the keys, right? Say first B came, then C came, then P came, then R came, then S came. Clear, Nama? You can sort based on the values also if you want. Can I have the next one? So what are we doing over here? We are printing the tokens. What is the token? Say import YAML, open items.yaml. We are opening, we are holding it into F. YAML.scan. Say YAML.scan. This will scan the data from this particular file. The two full content I'm scanning, storing into data variable. Scanning means each and every line it will be visiting ma. So first data, from the first data we are storing into token. That token we will be printing. From the data, second token, third token, like this. Each and every token we will be printing here. Okay now? Yes or no ma? Now see what token will do, you just observe. See, stream start token, it has started the token. Block mapping start token, it has started key token. What is the key token? Key token name is raincoat. It doesn't have any CSS styling. It is a plain text. For this raincoat token, value token available is 1. Clear, Nama? It is giving you complete information about that key and value. This is your key. This is the value. Next key, next value. Like this, all the keys and values we will be printing by reading. Then we are ending the block reading as well as stream reading also. Clear, Nama? Yes. This is how we can read the content. We can scan it as per the tokens and we can print it over here. This is what your YAML is all about. Okay. Can I go for next one? Next. Write down. Heading. JSON. JSON. What is JSON, ma? Hmm? What is JSON? Okay, full form, full form. Okay, write down, ma. JSON full form is JavaScript object notation. Okay, na? Yes. Write down about this. This is the representation. It's the process of changing the content no. It is a process of holding the content, ma'am. Better. It's a process of holding the content in list and dictionary format. Holding the content in the form of list and dictionary format. Then it is called as JSON. Okay, Nama? Hello. Yes. Now, see, ma'am, if you go for what do you say, XML, there the data compared to data, your XML tags will occupy more space. Got my point, right? Sometimes compared to data, your tags will occupy more space. That is first thing. When it comes to this particular what do you say, YAML, here the content whatever we are storing, we can store one key as well as multiple values, not an issue. But the problem over here is this will be supported by different category of files, not by all the categories. Got my point, right? Yes or no? So to solve all these particular issues, okay, to solve all these particular issues, what happened? We have got a concept called as JSON. In this JSON, we will be having only two formats, ma. Remember, in JSON, we will be having only two formats. One is list, another one is dictionary. Only these two formats will be available. Is that clear? Okay. Where either list might come first, dictionary might come first. Only these two combinations will be there, no other combinations. That is why any technology can understand these two combinations very easily. Clear, right? Yes or no? Yes. So how this JSON will be there, how JSON data can be stored, how to parse that JSON data. In tomorrow's session, we are going to see, as well as we will start up with databases also. Okay? Okay. See you tomorrow.